What a difference. We've got 200 sheets so far of 5/8. We still have to do the fire block up there and then the drop down ceiling. This is the only section. I still have to clean the mess out there. This is Saturday before Easter. Tomorrow is Easter. And these guys worked hard yesterday, Thursday, yesterday, and today. They're on the other side of the school, on the school side, finishing up. Very good sheetrockers. That was put there for security reasons. That's the, well, I won't tell you what it is. And we put insulation on everything. You can just about barely hear anything from outside of that hall. It's going to be just a platform. So I'm going to take this down, open that up to the 8-foot mark. So they're going to be able, instead of having this tiny little room, they will be able to see out. But to that ledge, that's a 4-foot ledge. So this platform is going to extend out. But making some good changes here right now that nobody's in here. And we're going to make changes up over here too. Here's the other side. I'm taking out some doors there. We're closing this door, keeping that one, removing this one, and then this is going to be a platform for the camera. When they live stream, it's going to be looking that way. This platform here is going to be the exact height there, so everybody, or the camera is eye level with the pastor. We're going to take this wall down, which is why it's not sheetrocked, but over there is all done. All of the rooms back here are done. Lots of work. Just those 2 patches are left. I forgot we were going to do something, which is why that's not done. All right, guys, I'm tired. I'm going to let these guys clean up. It's about 5:30. And we will be out of here. All right.